Hi, I'm Nikita. Welcome to my channel, The Parenting Guide. Today I'm sharing some must-have medicines for babies that you need to store at home and some important tips related to medications. So watch the video till the end and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for further updates. Let's get started. First we'll see some important tips related to medications. So the first tip is do not give any medicines without a doctor's advice, because sometimes there might be some underlying conditions. Like for example, if your baby has developed cold, it might be due to some weather changes or it might be due to some allergy. So it's better that your doctor assesses the condition and then he gives you the appropriate medicines. The next step is dosage and frequency. Be careful about how much dose should be given and in what frequency. Usually dose is given according to baby's weight and age. So always ask your doctor before giving any medicine. The next tip is hygiene of droppers and syringes. Make sure you always clean the droppers or syringes before every single use, because it might cause infections. The last tip is always read the instructions given on the medicine box before you use it. So these were some important tips related to medications. Now we'll see some must-have medicines for babies that you need to store at home. The first one is paracetamol. Paracetamol is used to lower the body temperature in case if your child has a mild fever. But always see that you maintain at least 4 to 6 hours of gap between two doses or as prescribed by your doctor. But the general rule says that you should not give more than 4 doses in 24 hours. Paracetamol comes in many brands. The one which I use is Toddle Drops. So use whichever is prescribed by your doctor. The next one is thermometer. Thermometer is a must in medicine kit. It is used to measure the body temperature in case of fever. So always have one thermometer at home. There are different kinds of thermometer available in the market. Use the one which is convenient for you. The one which I use is the digital thermometer. The next one is nasal saline drops. Nasal saline drops is a proper mixture of salt and water. It is used to treat blocked nose or stuffy nose in babies. It moisturizes and loosens the mucus inside the nose and it gives the rapid relief. See that you wash your hands thoroughly before using it and always put in one nostril, wait for a few minutes and then put it in another nostril, because immediately putting in both the nostrils can cause blocking. The one which I use for my daughter is Nasal. The next one is colic acid. Colic acid drops is used to relieve symptoms like indigestion, gas, bloating or stomach ache in babies. Colic pain is very much common in babies as their digestive system are still developing. There are also many home remedies to relieve colic or gas pains in babies. I'll be doing a separate video on that soon. The next one is vitamin D3. Vitamin D is very much necessary for the development of bones and teeth. In the first 12 months, the babies will be growing at a much faster pace. Hence, vitamin D is very much required for the development and growth of the baby. The natural way to get vitamin D is by exposing the babies to early morning sun rays, but that is not sufficient. Hence, vitamin D3 supplement is necessary in the first 12 months. So use the one which is prescribed by your doctor. The next is for cold and cough. Cold and cough is very much common in babies. So always have one medicine for mild cold and cough at home. But in severe cases, it's better to consult your doctor because he is the one who will give you appropriate medicine according to its type. The one which I use for my daughter is Mucolite for cough and Sinarest for cold. The next is ORS, that is oral rehydration solution. It is a proper mixture of sugar, salt and water in specific amounts. It is used when babies get too much of loose motions or vomiting and there is significant loss of fluids and they get dehydrated. Therefore, it's necessary to give ORS so that they can balance the electrolytes in the body. But make sure that you give it in a right proportion under your doctor's advice. The next is FirstAid Box. In case if the baby gets any kind of minor injury, cut or wounds, it is necessary to have a FirstAid Box at home. My FirstAid Box includes of some medicated cotton, the bandages, the betadine ointment and some band-aids. And the last one is oil or cream for rashes. Rashes is very much common in babies. It might be due to diapers or wet nappies. So always have one anti-rash cream prescribed by your doctor. But I personally use coconut oil for my daughter in case of rashes. So this was it. Hope this video is informative to you. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And let me know your views in the comment section. Also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Stay safe. Bye-bye.